This is Honor X6, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first you gotta somehow get to the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard settings. The easiest and quickest way is to launch the keyboard itself, then expand the top toolbar that you have, and go for the layout option. Or you know what, actually take what I've just said back. You will need to go to settings from here, then in here enter the layout and keys, and switch on the number row toggle. And as you can see, the separate number line above the keyboard characters was successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.